Good afternoon, Ma'am Alin.
How was your day so far?
Tiring lang.
Because the weather is hot.
Very good, Ma'am.
So,
Very good.
I believe no one is absent today.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, now before we start reading this interesting story, so let's have a short game. No, short activity. So, I have a question. Have you helped someone in need?
Yes.
So, I will read some statements and I want you to raise your hand if you do or you've done this thing or and raise your left hand if otherwise. So, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So, my first question: have you lent someone money?
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yes.
Me too. That sometimes I'm the one who borrow from someone. Thank you. So have you given money to the beggars on the street?
Yes.
That's very good. So as for me, masakit yun ang lugar sa mga doon sa kalsada without certain na ako nakumbay na ay magkaon pa. So ako, mutawag ko sa dili, ikaw, kailangan ka makita ang buwan. Basta kayo, kamuhilang sa lang sa akin, kahit hindi, wala ko yung So, keep it up, guys.
Okay, Mom.
Next is, have you helped someone lifting things for them because they were struggling?
Yes.
Ano na yung mga lift?
And groceries.
Wow.
Books.
Umbrella, ma'am.
Chair.
So, yung mga boxes, yung mga bukat yung lalabin na mga buwag magda.
Yes.
Very good. So, last one. So, how do you stop a friend or save a friend from getting killed?
No.
So,
Not
wala
yet.
ka man ang may
Because
pag-o
Iana is
sa
still
iyong
alive.
experience ba? Wala ba yung may friends yung nakakamatay?
No. Because you're still alive.
Nakamatay. Wala na kayo. Thank you, everyone. So, in this question, how do you think is our topic for today?
Helping someone.
Especially in this question number 4. So about this is about is someone who's kanang almost mamatay siya. So this story titled Tiki Tiki Tempo. So have you heard this story?
No.
Me too. So before we start reading this story, let's have the learning objectives first. So at the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the moral lesson of the story, Tiki Tiki Tempo, demonstrate appreciation of the story by expressing their favorite part and how it makes them feel, and perform a physical activity where they act out a creative version of Tiki Tiki Tempo. So before anything else, let's get to know the woman behind this story. And she is Arlene Marcel. So Arlene Marcel is an author best known for her children's book Tiki Tiki Tempo. She was inspired to write the book after hearing the Chinese folktale of a boy with a long name. In addition to Tiki Tiki Tempo, Marcel has also written other books for children. So, Tiki Tiki Tempo is a 1968 picture book written by Arlene Marcel and illustrated by Leo Land. So, the book tells the story of a Chinese boy with a long name who falls into a well. So, it is an origin myth, a story about why Chinese names are so short today. So, are you ready? Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
So, thank you. So, I want this side to read the first paragraph and this second group to read the second line, third, fourth, fifth, sixth line. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So, here is it. So, Tiki Tiki Timbo, a Chinese cocktail. Ready, start.
Once upon a time in faraway China, there lived two brothers. One named Sam and one named Tiki Tiki Tembo. No saring no hari kari bhakti kere tem no hai kai pom pom niki no mena do baraku.
Okay, so next paragraph.
Now, one day, the two brothers were playing near the well in their garden when Sam fell into the well. And Tiki Tiki Tembo, no saling buhari, kari, bushki, peri, pinto, hai, kaya, pom pom, niki, no, mino, no, maramo, ran his mother, shouting, quick! Sam has fallen into the well. What shall we do?
Next.
What? Cried the mother. Sam has fallen into the well. Run and tell father. Together they ran to the father and cried, quick! Sam has fallen into the well. What shall we do?
Sam has fallen into the well. Cry to the father. Run and tell the gardener. Then they all ran to the gardener and shouted, quick! Sam has fallen into the well. What shall we do?
Sam has fallen into the well, cried the gardener. And then he quickly fetched a ladder and pulled the poor boy from the well, who was wet and cold and frightened and ever so happy to still be alive.
Sometime afterward, the two brothers were again playing near the well. And this time, Tiki Tiki Tembo, no saling buhari, kari, bushki, peri, peri, do, hai, kai, pom pom, niki, no, mino, no, maramo, into the well. And Sam ran to his mother, shouting, quick, Tiki Tiki Tembo, no saling buhari, kari, bushki, peri, peri, do, hai, kai, pom pom, niki, no, mino, no, maramo, has fallen into the well. What shall we do?
What? Cried the mother. Tiki Tiki Tembo, no saring buhay, kari bushi, pere, peg, do, hai, kai, popo, niki, do, mena, do, barago has fallen into the well. Run and tell the father.
Together, they ran to the father and cried, quick! Tiki Tiki Tembo, no saling buhari, kari, bushki, peri, peri, do, hai, kai, pom pom, niki, no, mino, no, maramo, has fallen into the well. What shall we do?
Tiki Tiki Tembo, no saring buhay, kari bushi, pere, peg, do, hai, kai, popo, niki, no, mena, do, barago has fallen into the well. Cried the father. Run and tell the gardener.
Then they all ran to
The gardener shouted, quick! Tiki Tiki Tembo, no saring buhari, kari, bushki, peri,
has fallen into the well. What shall we do?
Tiki Tiki Tembo, no saring buhay, kari bushi, pere, peg, do, hai, kai, popo, niki, no, mena, do, barago has fallen into the well.
cried the gardener. And then he quickly fetched a ladder and pulled Tiki Tiki Tembo no saring buhari, kari bushi, peri, peg, do, hai, kai, barago from well.
From the
But the
well.
poor-
But the poor boy had been in the water so long that he had drowned.
So what are you feeling?
Filled with shock.
So,
I feel
taas
happy
kayo
for the
tingin
boy.
ko na-
Yes.
Sama na siya taas ka so ano siya world name. So sa one sa kita ka mo yung panahon di ba mga Chinese buo na siya name Korean nga
Yes.
mayroon mayroon ka Senapol ang name. So sa una taas yun siya. Ang problema, una ay emergency, matungkol
Tikitimbo na sharom hari kari bus diri pom dai hai kai pom di ka no.
Interesting kayo naman. Pero, taas nga. So, who can tell me what happened at the beginning of the story?
The boy fall into the well.
Okay. So mga kaitubot kay nagawa na sila. So,
Yes.
ako siya taas ang name ay So, what did you think of the names in the story? Why do you think the author gave the characters such long names? So, may anong message ang pangalan ay yung school kay naman.
To emphasize
So,
that
maybe to make the story interesting.
yes.
Kana kung, syempre, sa ganina na nagkatawa na ta kasi na nagbalik kung pagtawag ka sa yung name na taas ka. Mura siya, parang nakakot siya yung attention.
Yes.
So what have you learned from the story?
To learn that to not have the long name. So we won't be dead.
Okay, it's good to have long names, but murag maka-burden na siya, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi,
Yeah.
syempre, as I was saying, kung na emergency, na matawag siya yung nakuha niya, mandi siya, kitikigil sa mic. So, madugay din siya.
Yeah.
Kuhaan, sabi, So the story teaches us also about the importance of helping someone, and sometimes things can get complicated if we don't act quickly. So now let's connect the story to our own lives. Can anyone share a time when you helped your friend or when a friend helped you? Miss Adeline Pastor.
One time, I faced a challenge in my life that I think, at that time I was really, I felt blue, and then I lose hope. But there is that one friend who I ran into, and with her simple comfort and also help listening ear, I think that that way she was able to help me at least ease the sadness that I was feeling at that time, and also at least made me positive.
So, sa mga makakasashare ko,
Yes, it's okay. We want.
We want to know.
We can hear.
So ako tayo pinamagwangan sa pamilya. So,
Yes.
ako nagbiba-iba na hindi ko hila ka.
Yes, don't cry, mom. That's okay.
Murag na panang kuha dito ang problema sa our parents.
Yeah.
Lagi namin sa something na
Cheer up, mom.
murag na ako bitaw mabahit ako muras nga naka-responsibilidad dito na pagpipili na sila po dito lahat kami magpapalay pasulti na ako ba mag-feel nila nga di ko wapa dili ko work niya dili ko makatrabaho ko nung ako sa pinila
That's okay, mom.
na ako mga friends ko na yung mga ako ba maduulan mo dito ko nang kasi daw sa hapon na ako
Pray and believe in yourself. Yes.
Let's now proceed to our assessment or application. We want to role play or sheet of paper. Then answer the following questions and write the letter of the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, 1 to 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Feeling one point me. Feeling one point me.
Are you ready?
Not yet, ma'am. We're not yet done, ma'am.
So, are you now ready? Then take the paper one.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 10 items. So, letter
Kay. Ay, gugulpin naman kay. Gamay kay. Awa.
Are you now ready?
Yes.
So,
I don't care if you
number 1. What is the main theme of Tiki Tiki Temple? A. The importance of names. The value of friendship. C. The beauty of nature. Or D. The need for speed. So, number 2. What is unusual about Tiki Tiki Temple's name? A. It is very short. B. It is very long. Or C. It is a common name. Or D. It has no meaning. Dad?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3. What happened to Tiki Tiki Temple after he falls into the well? A. He gets rescued quickly. B. His long name causes a delay in his rescue. C. He remains stuck forever. Or D. He is rescued by a magical bird.
D.
Number 4. Who tries to rescue Tiki Tiki Temple? A. His brother Chang. B. His father. Letter C. A group of villagers. Or D. A wise old woman. So, number 5. What is the main reason for the delay in a Tiki Tiki Temple's rescue? The well is very deep. B. People can't pronounce his full name. Or C. There is no rope available. Or D. They are afraid to go near the well. Number 6. What lesson does the story Tiki Tiki Temple teach? A. Short names are better than long ones. B. Patience is key in all situations. C. Long names can be a burden in emergencies. And letter D. Always be prepared for accidents. So number 7. What does Tiki Tiki Temple's brother Chang do to help? So A. He calls for help from the villagers. B. He runs to fetch water. He tries rescue. A. He is unharmed and happy. B. He became famous for his name. Or C. He moves to another village. Or D. He forgets his long name. Number 9. Why do people in the village stop giving long names to children? A. Because they believe it brings bad luck. B. Because of the trouble Tiki the Muslim caused during his rescue. C. Because the long names sound funny. Or D. Because they prepare true names for their children. Alright, so before we end this discussion, let me give you an insight about the story Tiki Temple. So sometimes in life, we may feel overwhelmed by the length and complexity of our problems. The story Tiki Temple reminds us the importance of simplicity and clear communications. It teaches us that the weight of a situation can feel much heavier when we don't address it in a manageable way. Let us remember to approach challenges with patience and wisdom, and never forget the value of taking time to solve problems thoughtfully. So, thank you everyone for your engagement today. Your participation makes our discussion. So thank you again for your cooperation and